Hey guys, it's Jaleesa and I am back with another hair video, and this time I wanted to do something really sleek and really simple. It's just a middle part, sleeked back bun or a puff if you choose to leave your hair out. I know as a curly hair natural, it is just so hard. Well, curly hair is not redundant. But I know as a natural, it's so hard to get sleek styles without your hair being completely soaking wet. So I want to show you guys how I do it. It's really easy and really super simple. So let's get into it. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed, which isn't all that important, but I like to really start with a clean base. And my hair is dry, so this is a really good base to show you guys that you can really pull together a ponytail on dry curly hair. So what I like to do, actually, this is actually kind of a cute style. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror. Okay, so what I like to do is I'm going to start off by parting my hair. So I'm just taking, you could take a rat tail comb and just going to create a really nice clean part. Be gentle, don't rip your curls apart, you know? So once you have something kind of like this, then I like to, what you're going to need to do is moisten your hair just a little bit. Curly hair is not going to want to lay flat unless it's just a little bit damp. So you can take a water bottle, but what I have is, this is a leave-in conditioner spray. It's a detangling spray. This is from Unite, and it's the 7 seconds detangler. And I really love this because it's going to give me moisture, but it's also going to make my hair a little damp. So just spray this along. You don't want to get your hair too wet, but just enough that it's malleable, you know? So as you can see, my hair is already starting to be able to move and mold. So once we have that situation, it gets really easy from here. So this is the combination that works literally the best. It's the only combination that I do these days because it just makes my hair so sleek and so soft. So you're going to need a combination of these two products. This is the Pattern Styling Cream, and then this is the Pattern Strong Hold Gel. These two together are going to give you the best, shiniest, sleekest ponytail that you've ever had. I don't know why it works so well, but you just have to do it this way. So we're going to take the styling cream first. And you can be generous with this, you know, I mean, it's going to give your hair some moisture, so why not go a little extra with it? So I start here at the part area, just so I can get that laying. And then let's do the ends as well. And also don't forget your edges because you're going to want them to be really nice and soft. So that way you can lay them down as well. And then next what I like to do is I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb. This one's also from Pattern. And you don't want to actually completely comb your hair out. Your hair is a little damp, so you're going to be able to work with it. But I pretty much just want to stretch out the root, so that way it'll start to lay really flat like you can see here. Instead of me going directly in with a brush and really kind of ripping at my hair, I want to do this as gently as possible. So if you want to keep it laying flat, you could just take a hair elastic and work on one side and put that away, so that way you can work on the other side, and that way this side stays nice and flat. So now at this point, what I like to do is I will take my paddle brush and just really gently smooth that along. Now you're not going through the hair and ripping, you're just doing this kind of soft brushing motion to really get it to lay flat. And of course, your hair should be damp while you're doing this. Never do this on completely dry hair because you're gonna rip and break your hair. So it's pretty much flat and gathered like that, right? Now we need a generous amount of the Stronghold Gel. So let's take some of that. And I just start here at the hairline. And as you can see, my hair's already getting really nice and sleek. So easy. And then you can take a paddle brush. This one's from Orbe, but you can get any paddle brush. And we're going to start to smooth that. So we have this side really nice and smooth. I'm actually going to take this ponytail holder from this side and secure this side down. And then let's work on this side again. So just taking our paddle brush, very gently, just as you can see, these short strokes. I'm not pulling the brush all the way through the ends. Just really through the roots to help it lay flat. And if it gets a little dry, you can always spray. And then let's take a little bit of that Stronghold gel, go along the edges. And then our boar bristle brush, just smooth that. And then once you got both sides smooth, let's go ahead and take this ponytail holder off this side. Be gentle. And then we can combine the two halves together. And just look how smooth and sleek that is. That's ridiculous. Now here in the middle, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb. Just like that. And then just the boar bristle brush, just to smooth everything together. Now this is when I just like to add a little bit more gel just for insurance, you know, for a little security. Just like that. And then you can grab your ponytail holder. Make sure it doesn't have any metal because the metal snags on your hair. And then just secure that right into place. So next I gotta lay my edges down. So I'm gonna take this Kiss Edge Fixer. This is the Very Cherry. This is from like the Sweetie collection. And then I have this little edge brush. This is from Pattern. And let's go ahead and smooth the edges. So pretty much just start here. Smooth that down. And then sometimes I like to just take a little bit of this right here. Can either curl it this way. Sometimes I like to curl it that way. I just let it do what it wants to do. And then you want to take just like a headscarf and let this sit on your hair for about, I would say 5-10 minutes. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I just took off my headscarf, and as you can see, my hair is really shiny, really sleek, and you can leave your hair pretty much in a puff if you want to, but if you want something a little bit more sleek, what you can do is just take a little bit of the styling gel, and I just run that through the ends just to give me a little bit of stretch like that. And then once my hair is a little bit stretched like this, then I can pretty much just either wrap it around the base or tuck it under. So whatever my preferred, I guess, style is for the day. So stretch it like that. And then I like to kind of twist the ends. And then just bun it like this. And then you could just take another hair tie and tie that around just like that. And then if you want here, these little pieces, you can just add a little bit of gel. And that's pretty much it. So it really isn't that much work to do it. This is literally the fastest way. I used to do my hair soaking wet for a really long time, but it's just not good to leave your hair soaking wet in a ponytail because it creates fungus and it's just not hygienic. So you want to be able to do this on dry hair, get it really nice and sleek, and it just looks great. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Super easy, super simple. And also let me know what you guys want to see next time for my next video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. And I will catch you all next time. Bye.